Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are actually going to be putting the walls, finishing up windows, and also doing some of the electrical. You'll see later on in the video that we actually end up putting up the lights. Right about now in the video is kind of where we start putting the walls back together, getting the windows fitted in. As you can see here, we actually had to move the upper portion of the inner wall lower in order to accommodate for the 2-inch pink board that we put in the ceiling. Otherwise it wouldn't have had enough room for where we put the electrical, which is where we ran the electrical. You can see that little gap on the wall near the upper portion. Now the goal of this was to actually make it look more uniform, and it was difficult because you had to accommodate for the drop in the wall as well as actually cutting the windows so that way they would fit. There was a sleeve, as you can see, I'm putting on right now. The sleeve kind of fitted over the window casing and then was screwed together. This is where we kind of start to put the molding in for the electrical. You can see we have a very low profile light. We ended up doing AC lighting, and that AC lighting is actually working very well to this day. We finished this project, I want to say 4 months ago, and the AC electric works very well. We ended up using a thin 1/4-inch finished plywood for the ceiling. We were going to use something else and it was just too flimsy. It just did not work. But we ended up using 2x4s to kind of seal in all the electrical wires. And then in between each of the 4x8 sheets we used for the roof was where we kind of zigzagged the electrical for the lighting and for other amenities that we had. You'll see down on the right lower end of the screen we do have light sockets in the trailer. I believe we have three or four total, and you can also see a light switch in the back corner kind of by the window on the right past the TV. We made very good progress on this. I don't have much more video on the remainder of the build as far as finishing up what we did, but that was kind of the end all be all. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll kind of touch base in the next video on how we finished everything up. So stay tuned, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. We always appreciate it. Thanks guys. Have a wonderful weekend.